Alright, I am excited to get right back into this. It's been almost a whole week since I last played. It's too long. Too long. Even though I think the previous episode of this just released because I recorded a bunch in advance. Oh man, it's good to be back. Hello, 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 I'm Branch Runner 1, you can call me Branch, and in today's episode of Subnautica, I will try and remember what in the world I was doing. Whoa, alright, we got some graphics problems here. Let's go back here and change some things. This is fine. Wait, what the heck is this? Well, I won't touch it if I don't know what it is. What's this? Oh, yes, that should be on. Upscale method, I don't really care. I'm looking for... Here we go. So, oh, let's do that. Oh, that's taking a while. Let me make sure that I'm still recording after that. Okay, good. Oh, actually, I just looked at the volume. Yeah, I'm good. Alright, it doesn't look like anything changed. I'm all on low. Ew. I mean, it still looks fantastic on low graphics. I must say it's incredible. It's an improvement over the first Subnautica. I do believe I can turn up view distance. Actually, let me go to medium. I'm pretty sure I can... Restarting the game. Ooh. Very nice. Something's still kind of strange. Why are the shadows flickering? Hold on. This is probably here before and I just didn't care to notice it. Landscape. Maybe post-processing. No. I like how they give a description here, because some of these, I've seen them for the longest time in games, but I don't really know what they mean. Maybe, hold on. Let's just put reflections to epic and see if that's the problem. I'm not going to keep it that way, because I think I would destroy my computer. Nope. Alright, let's undo that, shall we? Effects. Visual effects. Let's see. One of these will do it. Foliage, that's definitely not it. Shading, maybe. It's not shading. It looks like an anti-aliasing type thing. I mean, what do I know? Textures, I doubt it's textures. Or view distance. Maybe shadows. Nope. It may... I'm beginning to think it may just be that way. Global illumination is the last one that I can think. Ah, so that's the one that needs to be restarted. Well, if that's the case, then it may not matter. Where is anti-aliasing? Am I blind? Am I stupid? Where is anti-aliasing? Oh, well. You know what? Who cares? Am I right? Oh, wow, that is incredibly beautiful. Kind of feels like I'm listening to some backrooms music right now, though. Getting some very strange reflections, but it is what it is. That's right! I got the sonic resonator. So it is time. We have bioreactor fuel. Well, well, well. If that's not my favorite thing to read, I don't know what is. Crap, I went to press T to transfer like I'm an Ark. Crap, I've been playing too much Ark. Right, I'll bring a nutrient block. And I thought I had water or slug. Oh well, it's not too hard to get. Oh, beautiful. It looks fantastic. I'm losing frames ever so slightly. And by that I mean I'm going to like 55 occasionally instead of constant 200. By the way, if I sound like I'm... alright. Good. If I sound like I'm not enunciating correctly... what? Oh. That is strange. It's probably because my microphone is not microphone, my pop filter is being kind of weird. I've noticed. It makes me sound like I'm mumbling sometimes. It's not too bad though, so I don't care. You know what? I'm going to need a battery for this. Yes, indeed.
Welcome aboard.
And I'm going to need... Wait, I may already have batteries. Pardon me. I'm really behind on my, what's going on here. I do not have batteries. What is this? How can I not have batteries in this thing? Oh, here we go. I'll take both of those, actually. Cause... Actually... I think I really only need one. This game is so good. Every time I play this game... I press T again! Oh, I've been playing too much Ark. Every time I play this game... Oh my word, and with these graphics... Crap. They must have really optimized the heck out of this in an update, because I remember when I first played on low graphics, I could hardly get this level of quality with good frames. Now I'm complaining if I drop below 70. Alrighty. Time to go. We're off on an adventure. Good. Hello, boss. Ooh, anything of use around here? Wait a minute. Hold on. Do I have my builder on me? I do. Won't need that, I don't think. No, don't you dare waste any battery on that. Alright, I believe... Let me make sure. Ha ha! You can make beacons with the builder, which is the best thing since sliced bread. I should grab some titanium. Ooh, this... Oh! No, 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 no. I'm not going down there. No! Absolutely not. 120% no. You think I'm dumb? Oh my word. Oh wait, hold on. But there is goodies down here. Oh, here we go. Titanium. And I bet there's copper down here somewhere. Whoa, alright. Lights changed. There are some visual bugs like that where light suddenly changes. See the... Is this copper? Salt. Oh, I need that. See the base flickering when I go into the fabricator like 10 seconds ago. Alright, stay away from me. Aha! Oh, it's too big. Wait, hold on. Alright. Brother. Chill. Alright, time to try this out. I apologize, but
30 seconds.
That did nothing. Oh, I thought that was a guy. I thought that was the fin of some ginormous thing. Oh, calm down. Oh, alright. Crap. Let me out. I did not realize you swam so slow holding that thing. Makes sense, but... Oh, wait. No, I just used my sprint ability. Never mind. I thought I suddenly picked up insane speed when I dropped it. Alright. Let's do this. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. What's this? Stuff I already scanned, I bet. Oh, it's so beautiful. Brings a tear to the eye. Alright, where am I going? I went right past where I was supposed to be. I remember, it was in some kind of cave. It's down here somewhere. Hello? Is anybody home? Ooh, what's that? Good stuff? No, I don't want... Well, I do want titanium, but I'm probably going to get some good stuff down here. Here we go. Where is that? I see that. Wait a minute. How am I supposed to get down there without oxygen? Pray tell? Crap. I may have made a mistake. Let me go in here so I'm not accosted on all sides by violence. Ooh, perfect. I'll stand right here because I want to double check something. There we go. Right, I'll get it this way. Let me look at my blueprints. Still no fiber, but rebreather, fiber mesh. Yep, I'm not getting that. May as well give up. Right. Okay, I understand. Ow! Okay, I understand. I'm not wanted. You think that will stop me, though? Ooh, you might stop me. No, it only makes me stronger. You want to go try and catch me, parasites? You won't. Actually, before I go down there, there is a place around here somewhere that I now forget where it is that had a similar thing that I had to revive. I think I had to get a mutation from there. Angel comb? That may be it. That just might be it. Golly gee willikers. Maybe. Maybe not. It's kind of far away. I thought it was closer. Ooh, it might be down there. Oh. Yep. And down we go. Ah, yes, this is the place. Alright, can I scan this first and foremost? Whoa! I can. Titan... Wait, scan Titan rock bore. Interesting. See, this is a much safer environment. Let's do it. What? Hold on. There is a specific... Ooh. There is... Alright, calm down. My word. I'm getting to it. I'm getting to it. Okay? Hold on. I think now's a good time to read. I know I'm kind of like taking out the excitement, but always gotta be informed. Oh, let me take a sip of my matcha latte before reading this. Titan rock borer. This enormous colony organism, Lithodont titanicae, resembles a spinal cord protected by a thick crab-like shell. It extends beyond scanner range in both directions, growing through fractures in the seabed rock. The interior of the borer contains at least 2 large flooded channels, one strikingly radioactive. The ancestral form may be a pyrosome. A sea squirt. I haven't seen that yet. Most of the zooids in the borer are dead, leaving only a mineral skeleton and a hydrocarbon polymer shell. The exterior channels have been clogged. The borer has no apparent food supply. It may have derived chemical energy from minerals, but if so, its bacterial symbiotes have fled. It is starving. The surviving tissue is infected with large RNA virus similar to earthly giant C viruses. The borer's anatomy includes receptor sites that encourage viral infection and reproduction. Further analysis required. Entirely unknown organism. Investigate further. Determine origin and ecological niche. Well, so not telling me much, but I do remember the PDA explaining how to deal with this. I'm just surprised that I misunderstood. I thought you had to get these things, but I suppose... Alright, I don't really care. Maybe this thing. Oh, hold on, I can scan. Scan balloon canker. What? What? What's the purpose of this then? Bloom core.
Caution. This angel... 30 seconds. Viral factory. And must be cured to gain access to new adaptations.
Yes. I understand. You already told me that. I was under the impression that I could do that by blowing it up. I wonder if that's a giant infection. It looks like it is. Look at those things. Disgusting. I want to go up there, though. Not yet. I imagine there's some what the heck is that? Floating? Or actual land. It must be land. Oh well. Alright. Let's read about these and try and figure out what we're doing. This animal, Cecidea gamicos, has no earthly analog. No apparent ecological niche except to reproduce and release virus. The ancestral firm may be a stenophore, comb jelly. Its core is a viral incubator stocked with genetic material from organisms in the surrounding ecosystem. The bloom's core's entire body is densely infected with large RNA virus, generated named proteavirus beta. The only exception is the central bulb. The core's filter combs are inactive. It receives all its calories from the Titan rock board below it, or if that supply is disrupted, from nearby bloom cankers. Cutting off both food supplies might allow the bloom core to clear its infection. Alright, I'm getting a slight idea of what we gotta do. Alright. This chimeric organism, Viroblast gangrena, is a feeding and reproduction site for large RNA virus. It is a colony of funnel-shaped cells similar to earthy... I'm not even gonna pronounce that. Canker cells are infected by proteavirus beta strain, which modifies their behavior and gene expression. The cells work together to form a slime mold. Oh, I think I read this already. The slime mold uses glue to grow instead of fast and blah, blah, too tough to be cut with hand tools. Canker stores solid crystals, proteavirus beta viron. When it feeds, it releases proteavirus beta in seawater that soaks up killed microorganisms. Vulnerable high frequency sewing expansion sonars. Okay. The canker grows through other infected organisms, transferring nutrients and electrical current. Yeah, I did read this. And what's going on here? And where's that new one I got? Alright, no, I don't want to read that. I do not like how they don't put a little thing here. How am I supposed to know there's something there? Single bed? Oh. We encourage you to nurture your dreams. Thank you. Rebreather. Does it say anything about how to get the Altera Sumasori rebreather? Breathe like no one's counting. And bubbles never but diver. Start reducing the chance of unwanted attention. I like this. I want it now. If only I had plant fiber. Meters. Well, not necessarily. Okay. Vehicle. All I want is to see. I definitely scanned two things then. Where is it? Or maybe I already scanned it? Would be rather strange. Oh well. Let's go to logs. Deploy sonic resonator. That may have been just now. That's a hint. Alright, this. You have entered. Here we go. All the micro. Let's see where I use the resonator to expunge bloom cankers and clear the infection. Ah, crap. Whoa. Pretty. That's a new place. Or it's a place that I've never taken a proper look at before. Alright, well, it's dark down here anyway, so. Don't really matter. Alright. I have a theory, actually. Habitat builder, give me my... What? No. There we go. Can I break these? Okay, yes. I understand. See, something... Ah! Ah! Come on. Hello, water slug. What's going... Yes, I understand. Alright, that did nothing. Maybe I have to do it here. I'm gonna run out of oxygen at this rate. The freak? Ah, maybe at the base here. That looks like something I can explode. What? Alright, I will find this. But first, I must find air. Ooh, that shadow looks like a giant creature flying above. Well, I am partially correct. It is the clouds. It is flying above. It's just not a creature. Right. Lucky sip of matcha. Let's go. So I can't destroy those little polyps. Mayhaps. Alright, there's something in here that I can destroy, though. There has to be. Unless it's just not implemented first. Or yet. I don't know what I'm saying. This thing is confusing me. It's getting into my brain. Which would be rather unfortunate. Bloom core. Here we go. No, 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 no. You can't do that. I know it's here somewhere. The freak. I know.
30 seconds.
Oh my goodness. Ascend! Ooh, it is very nice actually. Ooh, it looks kind of scary at night. I know that I saw a prompt to use the sonic resonator. You cannot fool me. Yes, I know. Oh, hold on, hold on. Was that something? No, was that? I think it's this thing talking to me. But it's not, unless... Hold on. I think I understand. Wait, I can use this. What?
30 seconds.
The freak? It gives me the prompt to use it in the corner, like the scanner. But I have a suspicion, okay? I have a suspicion. I think if that is the parent, then there must be a child somewhere that way. But I also suspect that... Not this thing. Where's my beacon? This place is rather spooky. I don't like it. Here it is. Mayhap. What are you? What the freak is this? Oh, it's this thing. I was like, what kind of jellyfish is that? Maybe this is the one I have to do first. If this is the smaller one, that would make a little bit of sense. Even though I swear I did see the prompt to interact with it. Maybe, no, 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 no. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. My good sir. Just coming down here. Alright. Wrong virus. Nothing can stop me.
Viral replication impaired. Destroy these cankers when you find them.
Ouch. You will not. You will not stop me. You may stop me.
Seek fresh water intake.
I swear, I only have to get a little bit of fresh water. I'm not running away. Oh, no. No, 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 no. I'm not dealing with you. Okay, good. Let's get some fresh water intake. Before I die. Yes, I'll eat that too. And I'm glad I have a first aid kit. Give me that. As for how, there must be a way. You know what? Let's try it. I could obviously scan them and get information that way. But, doesn't seem... Oh. There's nothing here. Doesn't really seem worth the effort. Because I'll die. Let's go down here first. Alright. Come on, let's do this. Give me all you've got. Go get it. Hopefully you're not, Oh, like a charm. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't do it. Is there no more? Is there anything more? Oh, there is. Hold on. Go away. That's right. Get distracted. Oh, I apologize. I know you are. Ow! Be nice. That looks cool, but I don't have time. I'm running low on oxygen. Ah, there we go.
Successful. Return to the adult angel cone to check the status of the main viral bloom.
Oh, no! Drink! Inhale! Oh! Alright. I did not even realize I was dying. Alright. That was a little bit scary, but now... Oh, come on! Why the freak are you here? I don't have any more things left over. Maybe I can craft them in the habitat builder. Don't do it. Alright. This is kind of a Hail Mary, but... Let's see. Yeah, I figured. I figured it wasn't going to be that easy. Maybe I can do it. I believe in myself. Just in case. In case I need to engage in a little bit of melee. Hello? Don't mind me. I'm just scanning a bloom node.
This juvenile angel comb is a source of the local viral bloom. The virus forces it to pump nutrients into the rock bore below, which feeds a central viral factory nearby.
I believe I know where that is.
Surrounding Cankers to help clear the virus.
Oh, no you don't. Here we go. Wait, no. I didn't get the black box. Come on. What am I doing? Didn't get the main thing I'm here for. Huh? Here it is. Okay, I guess I gotta read that. What's this? Anything good here? I'll take a titanium. It's not crazy good or anything, but it's worth more than nothing.
30 seconds.
Yes, I know. Alright, I think that's about it. Let's go. To the mother. Oh, now I know that noise. That's the noise that you never want to hear. Thing that's more terrible than any Leviathan. Leviathan settings pending. Hold on. Wait a minute. If I remember correctly... What am I doing holding this tool? Hold on. There was a way in these wrecks. If I could just blast them open. Oh, I love this upgrade to my swimming speed. It is fantastic. I feel like a dolphin. Maybe this was not the wreck. There was one of them that was... Aha! My memory is too good. Goodbye. Wait, you know what? I'm right here. I may as well get some oxygen before going further in. What awaits? Nothing crazy just yet. Oh, I will take some supplies. Hold on. Repair tool. Now that is pretty crazy. Hello. Goodbye. Oh. Hold on. Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, no. It's just something useless.
30
Well, that was rather anticlimactic. Oh well. Moving on. Bring this out. There we go. No reason not to use this. I have a second battery after all, but do I? Yes, I do. I had to double check myself there. There it is. Alright. Drink that. Alright. Kid is fix. Mom now fix? Multiple kids, perhaps? I think so.
Fake viral bloom is produced by an infected angel comb. It contains useful adaptations, but it must be cleared of virus. One of the juveniles feeding it has been treated.
Ah.
One remains.
I see. Well, I suspect if I follow these two huge stems, I'll get to it. Ooh, that looks interesting. Did I think I scanned something back there. Let me check it out. There it is, bloom node. This animal, Cystidia stentiphora, is a symbiote with or parasite upon the Titan rock board below. As a paradoxical state of distress and vigorous activity. The comb structure, similar to baleen, filters nutrients from fast-moving water currents. No such current is present. The comb has collapsed. Yes, those currents are my bane. The bloom node is fastened to an orifice in the Titan rock board below. This may have been the water source the node fed upon. The bloom node receives large RNA virons, generated named proteavirus beta, again, from the Titan rock board below, and then distributes them to nearby bloom cankers. The cankers return killed organisms which node digest and secretes into the rock board for transport elsewhere. Biofilm infestations result in stress and rapid aging. Blood flow is diverted from the comb structure to the digestive organs. The bloom's node's normal life path has been redirected to produce virus and collect nutrients from other organisms. Bizarre and disturbing, clearly part of a larger viral ecosystem. Destroying nearby viral cankers may reduce the flow of the nutrients, slowing viral reproduction, and allowing the bloom node to clear the virus, which it does exceedingly quickly. So, that's good. Well, 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 what have we here? Just as I was thinking about it. This is a very scary area, actually. I don't like this. This is scary. Indeed. Oh, no, 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 no. Ouch!
Seek medical attention.
Alright. That I shall. Goodbye!
30 seconds.
Alright, let's take stock of where we gotta go. I'm very hurt. And I need to do this quickly. Alright.
Death imminent.
Go!
Successful.
Yes!
Return to the main environment to assess its state.
Yes, sir! I'm almost dead, but I did it. Now, don't come after me. I can see that guy just taking a pot shot at me just because I'm weak. Let me get this available. I'm not anything interesting, don't mind me. I'm just one hit away from death. But that's how we roll around here. We do what must be done. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. So. We need to come back here. Because I am not going in there without flares or a health kit. I will die 2000%. And this guy will also kill me if I go near him. Let's just go back home and then come back for the final boss battle. I know there's got to be Leviathans in this game. This is not going to be the most difficult thing I come across. Though it may be the most challenging. Why do I have so many things? What the freak? When did I get all this nonsense? Hold on. This has got to go. This must be from when I Destroy the solar panels. Hello, lunch. How nice of you to offer yourself in service to me. Oh, ha 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 ha. Trickster. Oh, no. It's done. Oh, well. Let's go through the moon pool, actually. Hello, Grabs. How's it going?
Welcome aboard.
Alright. Let's get ourselves situated. Let's get some food. Wait, what? Oh, biofuel and salt. Very nice. Let me feel like doing that. Biofuel is probably better used in other places. Alright. And then I need some water and flares. Actually, there should be some medkits in here. I believe I have a fabricator, unless I'm mistaking it for the first game. Whoa! No, I do a basic first aid kit. No medkit fabricator. That seems like something I may want to make. Now that we're getting into more difficult territory. There it is. Don't know how I lost that. Oh, I caught that bubble like a pro. You know what? Replace this. I need this to move around. I would like fins, even more so, but they appear to elude me. If only one of these PDAs had a distress call like, help! I'm stuck by plants! I'd be like, oh! What the heck? Alright, fine then. I won't kill and eat you. You're lucky today.
Welcome aboard.
Alright. Whoa, calm down. Lovely. Put away all my stuff. I'd make a better storage system, but no point doing that right now. I'm busy doing more important things. Actually, give me back 2 copper. And I want 2 titanium. That way, I can make a beacon if I need to. Alright, so what am I looking for this? Oh, I have it on screen. Stupid. System chip and titanium ingots, which I may have a couple of. If not, I do not. So, pens, no, I don't want that. Change recipe to titanium ingot. Load processor. Let's make 2 of them. You know what? Let's make 3 of them, because I'm going to need some. And I'm going to get a whole bunch when I go back. Some matcha latte to whet the appetite for adventure. I will need more water. Actually, whoa. I can make water. How do I do that? Somehow. Wait, no, in here. Crap. I've locked myself out. Wait, I'm stupid. I have blueprints here. Water. I wish there was a search bar. Alright, water slug. But where's the better water? If it is better. Ooh, a bed may be nice. Huh, I need fiber! I need fiber for everything, and it doesn't exist. Don't need fiber for that. Journey signal to help locate your habitat. Kind of already have that. Here we go, I'm getting to good stuff. Ha! Fibrous pulp! More water. Never-ending need for water. Oh, I do have medical gel sacks. Hold on. Let me take this. And there's an option to make a super med pack. No. I must be mistaken. But I will select and load. There we go. Alright. And now I will need that. Oh, I have salt. Oh, what? I can make the power cell? Oh, wait, no, no, no. Strong acid. Hold on. I bet that's my roadblock. It's always something. Mild acid. Indeed. System chip. Requires strong acid. So I need 2 strong acids. That's all I need. Bet it's in here. Blueprints. Mild acid. What? Interesting. Very interesting. I assume that I cannot make strong acid yet. I can. Ah, that's right. I need a mysterious alien. Oh, I'm going to drain my base of power by doing this. But it's only one left. I can handle it. I have water, right? Let me get some water. Oh, my poor base. Oh, it's going to die. It's going to go down. It's going to just get destroyed. Hello, buddy. Come to me. What could I scan there? Probably a fish. Oh, there's so many of these. My poor base. Alright. I have a suspicion. This may be entirely unfounded. It is. Okay. Good. Look at this guy too. I want to have lots of water. What the freak is that? Oh, it's the inside of this. Hello there. I'll get some of you. Maybe I won't. You're safe for today. But not you. Oh, Gorgon. Under here. Here is my moon pool. Please?
Welcome aboard.
Okay, good. I still have a bit of power. Alright. Oh, wow, I'm already healed. Flares! That's what I need. I need flares. Oh, hair strong acid. Fiber mesh. Haha, if only I could get fiber. Alright, let me not make that for no reason. Tools. Here we go. Ah, of course, enhanced first aid kit requires fiber. Alright, I'm gonna chance it. Oh, that was nice. Didn't take too much power. Alright, that should be more than enough flares. Holy crap, I have too much in my inventory. I have too many slugs on me. Let me make some water and then I'm done. Make 2 waters. Why is my base of power not going down? Did I have that much power? Or what? Well, don't question. Do not question things. If they work out for you. Ooh, I'll make that into food actually. Since I seem to have infinite power, probably until I don't. Yum. I want some meat every once in a while. Well, that reminds me. I tried real sushi for the first time. I think last night. It was quite delicious. Konnichiwa? Sorry. It was quite delicious. I didn't realize I had to specify sushi roll, though, if I wanted a roll. And as such, I was given the traditional rice with fish on top, which was quite intimidating, but it turns out it was very, very good. Where am I going? This way. I am very glad that I was brave and tried it, because it was the softest thing I've ever tried in my mouth. That fish just melted in my mouth, and it didn't taste like anything, really. Makes me look at these fish a little differently, to be honest, although they look like they would be mostly cartilage. There it is, big guy. Alright, we'll sip. Gotta have some H2O intake in real life. I see you. Friggin' sea serpent current. Trying to kill me. It truly is the scariest thing in the game. Alright, let's prepare. Okay. Ha! Don't come near me, shark. Alright. Get out the most important things. Well, I hope I have enough battery on this thing. Alright, ignite this. Ignite this. And throw. Okay. Oi! Come on, you didn't even look at that. Go! No. You cannot. I will sooner die than fail. Yes.
Recommend you insert your hand into its core and take a sample.
I'm sorry, what did you just say? Oh, proven a gene donor. I thought I was offering me my genes. It's genes. I was like, okay, that's a little strange. But alright. If you insist. Can I scan it first? I already did scan it. Alright, insert my hand.
Potent genetic material detected. Searching for useful sequences. Adapting heat shock proteins. Your body can now survive elevated water temperatures.
It's saying that I can scan it, but I guess I already had. Alright, I'm glad that I can survive the heat. I know exactly where that is going to be useful at. But I would appreciate, you know, some fiber, please. Really, I just want some fiber in this game. Is that so hard? Is that too much to ask? It's too much to ask for a little bit of fiber. Ooh, I'll get this. Very useful, this stuff. Yeah, I'll scan this. Why the heck not?
This colony of worms in a shared membrane has no earthly analog. You have discovered a new clade. Naming rights may be auctioned off or reserved as a gift for that special someone in your future.
Huh, what future? Oh, I need titanium, by the way. I should go back. Let's read that thing, and then go get some titanium. Acid Ryon, a useful colony of worms living inside a shared membrane, probably a sponge, uses weak acid to digest prey. Ooh, these are worms? Yuck. An organism defined as a sponge occupied by a colony of cloned predatory worms. This sponge is chambered, akin to Earth's extinct Finctozoans. The chambers grow around the central pump. The Ryon's worms secrete weak acid as a digestive factor and defense mechanism. This acid is held under pressure by a plug in the Ryon's central pump. To avoid unwanted acid release, cut away the chambers before disturbing the central pump. Yeah, I kind of learned that the hard way. The acid Ryon may have originally evolved near a cold seep or a volcanic caldera. Why the temperature extremes? Acid-friendly biochemistry gave it a useful defense mechanism and feeding strategy to colonize other waters. The Ryon's central pump is partially plugged by a massive worm residue. This keeps the pressure in the chambers high. This residue contains useful clotting factors and broad-spectrum antibiotics. Recommended collection. Spectrogenetics analysis indicates the host sponge and the resident worms contain partial copies of each other's genomes. This is a biological impossibility on Earth and suggests that genetic inheritance functions differently on this world. Huh. Crap, mob. Out of my matcha, I gotta drink plain water instead. Assessment. Useful source of weak acid for battery. Central plug contains medically relevant gel. Cut away chambers before moving central plug. Consult your nomadic advisor system to research optimum search areas. By the way, what was that thing I got? I just remembered. I picked up a black box. Wanderer Wangmo 01. Wanderer died of blood loss. She was attacked by a marrow breach. Wanderer died alone 240 hours ago. Wanderer's black box submitted her to a biobed and habitat. Despite elevated levels of contamination, retroviral DNA, Wanderer was reprinted without a reset. Wanderer's life continued. I don't like this talk about a reset. Canoeing Wanderer Wangmo. Mission role, Able Spacer. Pay rate, Mbakar. Companion, friend, expired Mongolian free stage trademark for an entry-level worker. Oh, I thought it was my sister. Oh well. Child of Mongami Kinu, uses mother's name as a matronymic in Mongolian fashion. Frequently disciplined for risky exploration. Likes other young pioneers, important to colony morale. Indeed. Why do I have 3 entries? What are they called? I'm so confuddled I can't even remember. 3 entries for this single person. Firebloom anal curm. Parasitic attached to marrow breach. Wanda regretted not using flares to distract their attacker. Wanda reported that the viral bloom did not match the strain of proteavirus detected in Colin's blood. Concluded that the bloom virus was not responsible for Maysfield syndrome. Indeed. What is Maysfield syndrome again? I forget. Shooting viral bloom with the proper tools. That's what I did. Alright. Unknown Worlds Entertainment. Please, for the love of everything. Let me go with this. Yes, this is where I need to go. So no terminal. It's just used to subvert, reprogram, or disable proprietary Altera business intelligence. That's strange. Please, for the love of everything, do not give me multiple entries for the same person or object. Literally, just update old entries as I gather new information. I hate having a cluttered databank. It is absolutely disgusting, and it makes reading things so incredibly annoying because I can't find what's new. And while you're at it, put the
Welcome aboard.
put the orange plus thing on this, not just these. How am I supposed to tell if everything's folded, what is new and what's not? Like, come on. This is basic stuff here, guys. Heat tolerance. Oh, thank you. Why do I? What is this? Although your AEP suit can protect you against acute hot water burns for a limited time, prolonged exposure will cook your tissue like a sous vide pork tenderloin. Delicious. Human proteins are sensitive to high temperature and will swiftly unravel. Organisms that live near thermal vents can survive waters above 65 degrees Celsius. Temperature may change from near 0 Celsius to above 100 Celsius in seconds. Because pressure delays boiling, some deep hydrothermal vents can reach hundreds of degrees Celsius. Yes, indeed. Pompeii worms, still extant in Earth's oceans, grow a coating or fleece of bacteria to survive exposure to hot water. These epsilon proteobacteria tolerate intensive heat with heat shock proteins, which prevent and reverse the breakdown of cooked molecules. Pioneer nanomachines will assist your body cells in reproducing these heat shock proteins and monitor long-term health effects. Regular return to safe water temperatures is advised. Additionally, a layer of protective bacterial fleece between your skin and AEP suit will protect you from skin burns. Your PDA will monitor this bacterial culture and adjust its odor and secretions to prevent irritation. These bacteria have been derived from existing skin cultures and may help build appreciation for the role of healthy bacteria in the day-to-day life. Say thanks, Staphylococcus. Thanks, Staphylococcus. Yeah. And if you're not sure how to make it so that way databank updates, just like literally just do a highlight in like orange, like this, right here, so you can tell, and then it fades away when you go into it. That's all you need to do. Or even better, add a little like break section here, like a little line, just so you know, with the subtitle, just so we can know what's new. Because holy crap, I don't know what things I've read and which things I haven't read. All right, that tangent aside. Let me make some water for no reason. I do not need that much water. Crap. Let's put this away. I'll keep the copper on me because it's kind of hard to come by. I should make a battery because I will run it. I got confused for a second. I forgot it looks like that. Batteries, please. Here we go. Battery. Yes. Well, I'm glad I picked that up. All right, now I have an extra battery. Don't have copper now. I should have used the copper in my lockers, but whatever. Whatever. I think that is it. Crap, I forgot to get titanium. Ah, well. Really? Hold on. All right. Let's stop and think for a second. Fiber cannot be this difficult to get. I have surely missed it. Is it this? No, I've got this before. All right. It is surely something
Welcome aboard.
that I have come across and have not hit. I need one. Okay? Because I refuse to believe that they expect me to go this long without fiber. I'm just being dumb. Hold on. Wrong guy. My apologies. I want these guys. What's this? What is this? Oh, it's a water slug. You thought you could break off? No! I'll get both of you. All of you, even. Come to me. Scream and run away. It will not change your fate. Oh, ouch. Yeah. So we have to think about this logically. Fiber.
Welcome aboard.
Especially... What's it called? Oh, it's just called fiber. It must come from plants. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Okay? So, if it comes from plants, then it must be from something that I haven't hit yet. Maybe something... Alright, actually that's too much. Hold on. I'm getting sidetracked here. Let me eat. Delicious. Alright, some plants. Is there anything in my data bank? Adaptations, viral ecology, anchored life, anomalies. Hint? No, this is... Hint. I can make some... I think I make biofuel with this. Right? Blueprints, biofuel... Let's double check. Oh, where? Yes, okay. Not blooms. Coral dome. Not coral dome. This is where I get the mesh from. Jellies. Airborne organism. Mimic pylon. May mark cave mouths. Interesting. Sponges. Interesting data point, but nothing crazy. Ecological niche. Tunics. This is for eating. This is for breathing. Alright. Please. Alright, colonist logs. No. Colonist, no. Education, no. Evidence. Field reports. Your files. Mission. Start here. Alright, I don't see that. Negotiations, mobile life foragers, jellies, coral crab. Determined dome of sunny nutrient materials for feeding. Jordy. Yeah, these are all these crabs. Ah, Mongmo, hello. Predators, no. Point of interest. Spider dome. Metal salvage titanium. Alright, it's not in there. I don't see fiber in blueprints, but I may have missed it, so let me check. Wouldn't really make sense, but maybe one of these? No. Oh. You get it from fibrous pulp. Okay. I already had it. That does not change anything. However, this looks like something I pick up. Although it could very well be something I break. All right. Pulp sounds like, still sounds like it comes from a plant, but it could come from an animal secretion. Let's go to Noah. It looks like we have a new message. Maybe it'll take me somewhere new, or take me by somewhere that I've been before that I forgot to go back to. Oh, there's nothing. Oh, limited access. How do I make a Noah again? Blueprints. Not bad. Maybe I should make this. Too many freaking recipes, but this is actually very easy. This is extremely easy. Why is this so easy to craft? This is a freaking robot. But okay. Time to depower my base. Alright, interior facilities. Noah terminal. Give me a copper wire, please, and thank you. I like how this draws from not the fabricator, the base builder draws from the lockers too. That was quick. Alright. Hello, Noah. Oh, still limited access. Goodbye, Noah. I do not feel like wasting all my resources on you. At least not now. Drink some water. Okay. Let's go. Oh no, this. Get away. Go where, you may ask? I'm not sure. Huh. It's a bit of a conundrum. I have an idea of where I might want to go. Let's see. Let's go there. I don't know how long I've been recording. It's actually probably been a while. So actually, what I will do is
Welcome aboard.
we'll end the episode here. And next episode, we will go out in search of fiber once and for all. Thank you so much for watching. In the meantime, I hope I'll see you in the next video. So long.